Hi, second graders. Mrs. Isham here. We are going to start our lesson 24 vocabulary. This week our vocabulary strategy is antonyms, and we have 10 new vocabulary words. So let's look at our vocabulary words for this week. Our first word is tumbling. Say it, tumbling. This acrobat is tumbling through the air.
Tumbling. If you are tumbling, you are falling and turning over and over. Dar volteretas. Si estás dando volteretas, das vueltas una y otra vez.
Tumbling. Tumbling means to fall and turn all over. Tell me, have you ever tumbled down something? I know Hadley tumbled down the stairs earlier today and it was not fun. Have you ever tumbled down something? Think about it. The next word is flung. Say it, flung. When something is flung, it is thrown with force.
Flung. If you flung something, you threw it hard. Lanzar. Si lanzaste algo, lo arrojaste con fuerza.
Flung is when you throw something really hard. Tell me, have you ever flung something? What would it have been? Tangled. Say it, tangled. These pieces of string are tangled. It is hard to separate them. Tangled.
Tangled. If something is tangled, it is mixed together with something else. Enredado. Si algo está enredado, está entremezclado con otra cosa.
Have you ever had something that was tangled? I know Mrs. Isham just moved 2 weeks ago to a new house, and all of her jewelry, when she put it in her box, when she went to take it out, they were all tangled together. It was really hard to get them apart. Ugh, not fun at all. The next word is empty. Say it, empty. This pot is empty. There is nothing in it.
Empty. If something is empty, there is nothing in it. Vacío. Si algo está vacío, no tiene nada adentro.
Tell me, what snack container would you be so sad if it was empty when you went to go get it? I know it would be the Oreo container. If that was empty, Mrs. Isham would be so sad. Next word is swift. Say it, swift. Swift horses move very fast. Swift.
Swift. Something that is swift moves very fast. Veloz. Algo que es veloz se mueve muy rápido.
Now, what is something you are swift at? What do you do that you move very fast at? Mrs. Isham, I am very swift when a chicken is running after me. Oh yeah, I definitely move fast. Peacefully, say it, peacefully. The farm animals are sleeping peacefully. Nothing is bothering them.
Peacefully. When something happens peacefully, it happens in a way that is quiet and calm. Tranquilamente. Cuando algo sucede tranquilamente, ocurre con calma.
Peacefully is when it's quiet and calm. What makes you sleep peacefully? Mrs. Isham, I sleep peacefully when there's no sound, especially screaming babies right now. Mrs. Isham's not getting peaceful sleep. It's not quiet and calm right now. Stream, say it, stream. The stream flows into a large river.
Stream. A stream is a small, narrow body of water that may flow into or out of a river. Riachuelo. Un riachuelo es un cuerpo de agua pequeño y angosto que desemboca en un río o sale de él.
Stream. Have you ever been to a stream? If so, where was that stream at? What did you do there? Mrs. Eicher goes to streams and fish. I love fishing. Blazed. Say it, blazed. A forest fire blazed or burned brightly for many hours. Blazed.
Blazed. If a fire blazed, it burned very brightly and strongly. Resplandecer. Si un incendio resplandecía, ardía con mucho brillo y fuerza.
Have you ever seen a fire blazed? I have, especially when we're out camping. I love seeing a blazed fire. Awesome. We're going to go to our vocabulary strategy for this week is antonyms. Antonyms mean opposite. Say it. Antonyms mean opposite. Synonyms mean same. Say it. Synonyms mean same. We are going to look at opposites. I have one list here. We're going to find the opposite or the antonym for each word. So we have tiny, sit, down, sell, short, happy, show. And we have some opposites here. We're going to match them up. Stand, sad, tall, tell, huge, buy, up. What would be the opposite or the antonym of tiny? Stand, sad, tall, tell, huge, buy, up. The antonym of tiny is huge. I'm going to draw a line. What about sit? If I'm sitting, what's the opposite of sit? Stand. Down. What's the opposite of down? Antonym of down. We have sad, tall, tell, buy, up. Down, up. Sell. What's the opposite of sell? If I sell something or you buy something. Short. Is it sad, tall, tell? Short or tall? Great job. Happy. Happy or sad? Opposite. Show or you tell. Remember, antonyms mean opposite. Synonyms mean same. All right, second graders. Hope you have a great day. Bye.